Prefer using Google account for easy access? Here's how to log in Grok AI with Google in seconds. Let's get into the video. Open the Grok AI login page and find the Continue with Google button. Click on it, choose the Google account that you want to use, and allow Grok permission if prompted. In just a few seconds, you'll be redirected into your Grok dashboard. No extra passwords needed. And there you have it. Logging into Grok AI with your Google account is fast, easy, and secure. By the way, while we walk through these steps, it's worth noting that Grok AI is deeply integrated with X platform. So, whether you are creating content, browsing, or engaging with posts, you're just a click away from a powerful AI assistant that's designed to stay up to date and real-time information. Pretty neat, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.